Welcome back to Dan's RV Cooking Show. This week we have a real easy one, guys. We're going to make meatball stroganoff. And I'm starting out with just some frozen meatballs from the store. But I'm actually going to brown them a little bit before taking them out and adding our veg. And right here we have onion, carrot, and celery as a base for our sauce. So we're just going to brown these up a little bit. Alright, and now that everything is nicely browned up, we're going to add in our low sodium beef broth. And I like to use low sodium broth because it's always easier to adjust for taste with a little bit of salt in the end. Alright, now we're adding our meatballs back in. And we're going to let everything reduce by about half, which should be about 30 minutes. Alright, now we're adding our pasta. And I like to, as always, undercook my pasta for about 1 or 2 minutes. And we're not going to worry about straining the water. We're just going to get a lot of the water out and add it to our sauce. Alright, and the main ingredient in beef stroganoff is sour cream. So we're going to put a little bit of sour cream into our sauce and meatball mixture and get everything nice and creamy. And our sauce and meatball mixture is looking great. Now we're going to add our egg noodles into the sauce and get that all tossed. Guys, so definitely try this one out. It is super simple. All we did was start out with some pre-diced veggies, our onion, carrot, and celery, and our frozen meatballs. And we just added some low sodium beef broth and some sour cream. This one is definitely one to try. And the best part is we literally did everything in one pan like most of our meals.